next one is derivation of mirror formula. Okay, so you already studied about mirror formula in your 10th standard. That is, mirror formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. That is the relation between focal length, image distance and object distance is a mirror formula. So here we have to prove that relation, that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Okay, so here we have to derive the mirror formula by using a concave mirror. Concave mirror when it forms a real image. Okay, so see this diagram. So this one is a mirror. Okay, then AB. AB is an object placed on the principal axis beyond C. Okay, so AB is what? AB is an object placed beyond C. So you already know in which place you got the image. So in between C and F you got the image. Okay, so here you have to cut the first ray AM parallel to the principal axis. After reflection it passing through focus. Then the second ray it incident on the pole, so it obey the laws of reflection. And the third case it passing through what? Center of curvature. So in that case it takes the same path. So these three rays meet here. So here we got the image of AB. So this image is real and inverted. Okay, so this is the image A dash B dash, and the size of the image is smaller than that of the object. Okay, so here F2P. F2P is what? F2P is focal length. Okay, then B dash to P is its image distance V. Okay, then B to P is its object distance denoted by letter U. Okay, so using by convention you have to write object distance. So object distance is denoted by letter is what? Object distance is U. So BP is U. BP is equal to U, that is it is minus U. Okay, that is the distance is measured from pole to object, and also the left side all the distance are negative. You have to take the sign negative sign by using new Cartesian sign convention. Okay, you have to follow a new Cartesian sign convention and you have to write the signs also. So in the case BP, the object distance is minus U. Okay, then what about image distance? Image distance is denoted by letter is what? Image distance is B dash P. B dash P is equal to what? Minus V is also minus, negative sign. Okay, then its focal length. Focal length is what? F2P. FP is also equal to what? Minus F. Okay, then also one more term, C2P. C2P is what? Is radius of curvature. Radius of curvature CP is equal to what? Minus R. Okay, so in the left hand side all the signs you have to take the negative sign. So here we have to consider two triangles A dash B dash C and ABC. These two triangles are concurrent. Okay, so you have to just apply the concurrence theorem here. So you got that A dash B dash C and ABC are concurrent. So here you have to write only just write triangle A dash B dash C congruent to triangle ABC. Okay, then write the size proportions. A dash B dash divided by AB is equal to what? A dash B dash divided by AB is equal to C B dash divided by BC. Is it correct? A dash B dash divided by AB is equal to CB dash BC, which is equal to CB dash is written as CB dash is equal to CP minus B dash P. Is it correct? CB dash is equal to CP. CP means this distance. CP, this distance. CP minus B dash P. Okay. So right here, CB dash is what? CP minus B dash P divided by BC. So BC is, you have to write as BP. BP minus what? CP. So BP minus what? CP, which is equal to, then write this values here. CP. CP is what? Minus R, that is radius of curvature, minus B dash P is what? Minus V, divided by BP. BP is what? Minus U. Then minus CP is what? Minus R. Okay. So which is equal to minus R plus V divided by minus U plus R. Okay. Then, so you see here, angle A dash B dash, angle A dash P B dash, which is angle A dash P B dash. So this angle, okay, A dash P B dash is equal to angle A P B, because this is the angle of incidence and this is the angle of reflection. So these two angles are same, you know. Okay. So angle A dash P B dash is equal to which angle? A P B dash. Okay. So these two triangles are also congruent. So which is the triangle? Which two triangles are congruent? Triangle A dash P B dash congruent to triangle A P B. Okay. Then also other side proportions. So A dash B dash divided by AB is equal to what? B dash P divided by BP. Is it correct? B dash P divided by BC. So B dash P divided by what? BP. Okay. Which is equal to B dash P is what? Minus V divided by BP is what? Minus U. Okay. So this is equation number 2. So the first equation is this one. So see, these LHS sides are same. So the RHS is also same. So you have to write minus R plus V divided by minus U plus R is equal to what? Minus V by minus U. Okay. So minus U. So here minus minus positive. So there is no negative sign. U into minus R plus V equal to V into minus U plus R. Okay. Then minus R into U plus UV is equal to minus UV plus R into V. Is it correct? You rewrite this equation as UV, then taking this minus UV to LHS side. So it is become positive plus UV is equal to RV plus RU. Okay. Then UV plus UV is what? UV plus UV is 2UV is equal to what? RV plus RU. Then dividing both sides by UVR. So what happened to other side? So this become 2 by R. 2 by R is equal to, and also this side divided by UVR. Okay. So here what happened? It is becomes 1 by U. Okay. Plus this become 1 by V. Then tell me 2 by R is what? 2 by R is so you know that R is equal to what? 2F. Okay, so substitute this equation here. R is equal to 2F, that is 2 divided by 2F is equal to what? 1 by U plus 1 by V. Okay, so what happened? 2 cancel. So you got the mirror formula. 1 by F is equal to what? 1 by V plus 1 by U. This is the mirror formula. Okay, so hence proved. So it is the mirror formula. 1 by F is equal to what? 1 by V plus 1 by U is the mirror formula. The next one is linear magnification. So what do you mean by linear magnification? So magnification is defined as a ratio of the height of the image to that of the object is called linear or transverse magnification, or just say it is a magnification. Okay, and denoted by letter M. So M is equal to H2 by H1. So H2 means what? It is the image, height of image, and H1 means height of object. Okay, then you have to prove the magnification in terms of U and V, the case of a spherical mirrors. So you see the same ray diagram. So here you already know that you already prove that A dash B dash by AB is equal to what? B dash P divided by BP, which is equal to what? Minus V by U. Okay, so here A dash B dash is what? A dash B dash. A dash B dash is height of image. Okay, so it is an inverted image, so you have to put the negative sign. So it is what? A dash B dash is minus H1 divided by AB is what? Height of the object. So it is a erect image, so you have to write positive H2, which is equal to what? Minus V by minus U. Okay, so minus H1 by H is equal to minus V by minus U, that is H1 by H2, also which is equal to magnification M is equal to what? V minus V by U. So this is the magnification. M is equal to H1 by H2 is equal to minus V by U. Okay.